In folklore, werewolves are most commonly associated with which phase of the moon? New moon, full moon, crescent moon, quarter moon. The correct answer is full moon. What is Hello Kitty's full name? Kitty White, Kitty Red, Kitty Blue, Kitty Pink. The correct answer is Kitty White. What color belt does a beginner karate student usually wear? Yellow, white, green, blue. The correct answer is white. Fromage is the French word for which food? Bread, cheese, wine, butter. The correct answer is cheese. What is the name of the three-bird roast made from chicken, duck, and turkey? Chickukki, birdzilla, turducken, poultry trio. The correct answer is turducken. What is the capital city of Peru, a fascinating country in western South America? Lima, Anam, Tuju, Delapan. The correct answer is Lima. You probably use it on social media all the time, but what is the everyday name for the symbol officially called an octothorpe? Asterisk, ampersand, hashtag, tilde. The correct answer is hashtag. What do we call a star that suddenly brightens dramatically and then fades over weeks or months? Black dwarf, nova, quasar, supergiant. The correct answer is nova. The Rolling Stones' famous logo features which body part? Eye, hand, tongue, foot. The correct answer is tongue. What was the very first feature film produced by Pixar Animation Studios? Monsters, Inc., Toy Story, Finding Nemo, A Bug's Life. The correct answer is Toy Story. Name either Spanish queen who helped fund Columbus's 1492 voyage to the New World. Isabella I, Maria II, Eleanor I, Joanna I. Maybach, a brand originating in Germany, is known for producing what type of luxury item? Watches, cars, perfumes, yachts. The correct answer is cars. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? Luna, Moon, Titan, Europa. The correct answer is Moon. Hypothermia occurs when core body temperature falls below 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 36 degrees Celsius or 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius or 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. What fluid reduces friction in the joints? Cerebrospinal fluid, blood plasma, synovial fluid, lymph. The correct answer is synovial fluid.